Several factors must be considered when pricing a chandelier replacement, especially one located on a 20-foot ceiling. Firstly, there is the labor cost. This typically involves two experienced technicians working for approximately half a day, or 4 hours. Secondly, there is the equipment involved, specifically a 16-foot ladder and potentially other specialized tools necessary for the task. The complexity of the job is another important factor. High ceiling replacements require careful handling and maneuvering of the chandelier to prevent damage. Fourthly, one must consider the inherent risks associated with such a project, including the potential for damage to the property, such as the granite island mentioned, or injury to the technicians. Fifthly, the time of year can affect pricing, as demand for such services may fluctuate seasonally. Sixthly, local competition plays a role. Prices may vary depending on the availability of qualified electricians in your area. Based on these factors, a reasonable estimate for a chandelier replacement in a 20-foot ceiling could range as follows. For technicians with less experience or in areas with low demand, the price might be in the $500 to $800 range. For experienced technicians in areas with moderate demand, this could increase to $800 to $1,200. For highly experienced technicians in areas with high demand, expect to pay in the $1,200 to $1,600 range. Remember to factor in these additional considerations. A travel fee may apply if technicians need to travel a significant distance to reach their location. In some areas, electrical permits are required for this type of work, which can add to the overall cost. If the chandelier is located in a hazardous environment, such as over a pool or in a bathroom, additional precautions and costs may be incurred. It is important to manage homeowner expectations regarding the cost. While the cost may be higher than expected, homeowners should understand the complexity and risks involved in replacing a chandelier at such a height. It is important to provide them with a clear explanation of the work required and any potential costs associated with it. Instead of selling a 16-foot ladder, there are alternative options to explore. One could rent a ladder. Rental companies often offer 16-foot ladders that can be picked up and returned locally. Another alternative is to partner with a tall technician who may be able to reach the chandelier without using a ladder. Also, consider using a scaffold, which provides a stable platform for working at high heights. These alternatives can help avoid the need to sell the ladder and discontinue offering this type of service.